The mark of a great grinder is a confluence of simplicity, power, and efficiency. The Compak E5 is a great example of how to blend all three. Hi, I'm Charles with Clive Coffee. Let's take an in-depth look at this flat burr espresso grinder. One of our favorite things about the Compak E5 is that it has 58mm flat steel burrs and a 550-watt motor in a relatively short frame. Standing at only 16.5 inches tall, it'll easily fit under most all kitchen cabinets. Those specs will provide you with commercial-grade performance too. Those large burrs produce incredibly consistent grounds, which make for deliciously smooth shots, just like the kind you've come to love and expect from your favorite coffee shop. It's also blazing fast. It'll grind a 20-gram dose in right around 8 seconds, and do it without making much of a fuss, as it's surprisingly quiet. You can also grind dose after dose without worrying about heat buildup. The E5's large burrs prevent heat from transferring to your coffee, preserving freshness and consistent extractions whether you're serving just one person or a dozen. This way, you can rest easy, knowing that every single one of your guests got the same delicious shot of espresso. Aside from sheer speed, the Compak E5 will also make your job as a home barista ergonomic and easy. The fully adjustable portafilter holder will allow you to grind hands-free. It also has a built-in grounds catch tray that's removable to keep your counters nice and tidy. And a precise digital timed dosing function means that once your grinder is dialed in, you'll get the same dose every time, even without weighing. Speaking of dialing in, the Compak E5's grind adjustment collar makes it easy to make precise adjustments to grind size, big or small. It also features this handy lock, so you can ensure your setting doesn't drift or get changed by an intrepid loved one. While the Compak E5 was built as a fantastic piece of engineering, it also has good looks to spare. Its modern design is built almost entirely of aluminum, even details like the grind adjustment collar and the portafilter holder, making every interaction with it feel solid and industrial. The soft glow of light from its touch control panel really completes the look. I'd love to field your questions about the Compak E5 in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to distribute the like button, and for more in-depth videos and overviews, be sure to subscribe.